Hey guys, we're super excited to announce the biggest sale of the year, and honestly, one of the biggest sales we've ever had. We're offering up to 65% off kayaks, paddles, dry suits, roof rack accessories, and more. We're overstocked in the warehouse, so we're very excited to offer valuable and meaningful discounts on 2023 gear, so we need your help to clear up space for next season. The sale kicks off August 25th and runs until September 4th, and we're going to be adding new deals daily, so make sure you stay tuned in so you don't miss out.